Hey guys, today I gotta fix a drywall patch. I made a mistake with the floor maintainer when I was prepping this floor for tile, and I lost control of the floor maintainer, and it knocked a hole in the wall. So I gotta go back and fix it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a measurement that will clear this. I'm gonna come back with the cut piece, and I'm gonna trace out where I need to cut the wall. So I'm gonna take the measurement right now. 9 by, let's say 9 by 6. So I didn't have a T-square here, so I just used just tape measure and marked off some spots so I could have a straight line. So all you have to do is just lightly score it with a utility knife, box cutter, whatever you got. Just one quick score across there, and then all you do is flip it over and apply a little bit of pressure, and the board should pop up, and then you can just take your utility knife and just cut the rest of the paper on the back. So I chose to use a jab saw. You can pick these up, Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever. They're about $6 or $7, but all the supplies that I use and all the tools I use will be in the description. So, you know, if you just subscribe, like it, whatever, you'll always have it there for you. Okay, guys. So I tried to do this the other day. I didn't like the way it looked because I used a piece of sheetrock down here as the backing instead of an actual board. So I'm gonna come back in here with a plywood, drill it in so it'll actually grip it, and maybe I'll be able to countersink this because I wasn't really able to countersink it last time. It was showing too much. So that's what we're doing right now. So the joint compound I have is, you can use it right out of the container, right onto the knife. You don't need to mix it. So that's what I chose. You just need some tape, and then you need a compound, then you need the taping knife. You can just get a cheap one, $4. That's all you need. You don't need an expensive one. When you apply the compound, you just want to make sure that the compound's uniform across. You want to make sure that it's lower than the texture that you already have on the wall. So it just takes a little finesse, and you'll get it. So lightly press the tape up against the wall. You don't need to push too hard. Just lightly press it up against where the joint is, and then put a thin coat over the tape to kind of hide the tape. Once we are done applying the joint compound, we'll let this sit for 24 hours. We'll come back and we'll take like a 120 grit sandpaper and sand this down so it's flat beneath the old texture. You don't want it sticking out. So I grabbed a Homax texture spray, and I'm looking for a medium texture of the orange peel. So I was standing about a foot and a half, 2 foot away, and I'm just doing quick motions to get that texture that I want. So you don't want it to pile up in one area. You want to keep the can moving. So I'll be using this little piece as a demonstration of what I will be doing to the actual wall. So this is the look I was going for. I wasn't trying to get it on my fence, but hey, it happens. Once again, guys, all materials and supplies, tools, whatever I use for this job will be in the description. So if you like this, please subscribe, hit the like button and the bell. I appreciate it. Thanks again.